Hello, my name is Max, this is EntrepreNerd. We build, Pretzel says don't over-promote everything in moderation. I support it, yeah, no, that's fine. Anyway, my name is Max, this is EntrepreNerd, yeehaw. Today we are going to be building a app, and the idea, I think, is going to be building a murder mystery sort of app. I'm really excited about it. We're going to be using V.One, which is one of our sponsors, one of our wonderful sponsors, which I will get to in a second. Yeah, it should be a whole lot of fun. So we're just kind of testing out the functionality of this new tool, having a good bit of fun with it. I have a bunch of other ideas that I think V.One would be really perfect for, and I want to kind of test out the functionality of it to make sure that it fits. But yeah, we're going to try to build a murder mystery app today, and it should be really fun. I'm excited. A discovery app, very interesting. Testimonials, a table. So the idea is very, very simple. Let's first start with a... Is there a video player, or is there just an audio player? Let's see. I could just embed, to be totally honest. Discovery. Now, you know, an audio player sounds a little bit sexier, actually, because I don't want this to have too much tags, features recommended. Interesting. Disable heading, show titles, show author, show picture. Horizontal. Okay, that's fine. Font style. Interesting. Background color. It's still loading. Okay. I'm gonna bring this up to the top, center it nice and tightly, and then let's actually, can I just? No, I have to drag. Do this. And then let's see. So we have the audio player. That's the intro. Actually, no, I am going to include heading. Change font style. Font family. What do we got down here? Do something like this. Can I center it? I don't think so. I can add tags. Very interesting. Now, you know what? No heading. I'll add my own heading. Let's go and add some text. Boop. Down here. Can I see everything? I can. Beautiful. Font size should be optimum size. Overall, anything below 16. Boom. Alright, text here. Bring this up here. And this is going to be the introduction. This is going to be the little intro page. Also, which page am I on? I can't remember. Boom. 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 Perfect. We're on the first page. Awesome. So these web apps like Glide, are they published in the store? So I believe... when we publish, we can actually make live an app store and export source code, and you can push to test flight, or you can just publish to a website. So I think they seem to have full functionality, which is pretty dang cool. And you can export the source code, which I really like. I don't think I've seen any other tool do that. That's really fun. And then you can customize things from there, which is kind of nice. Welcome to murder. What a fun time. God, I'm hilarious. Okay, welcome to murder. Just gonna try to make this fun. Oh, cool. Does it? No, it doesn't reset the location automatically. Okay. Perfect. It's giving me advice as I'm going along. That's actually really nice. Gives you design advice as you're going along. I wonder if there's something that I did wrong with the audio player, because it does not seem to be having a great time. Vertical, maybe. Tags, disable heading, show title, show author, show picture, show play button. Maybe it's looking for some information that I haven't given it yet, so we'll check later. And I'm going to showcase this. If I just click design on Canva, it just lets me design on Canva right in this thing, which is just so wild. We'll add the audio player a little bit later. A feed, a form. We want to add a button. Let's add a button into here. Boo, boo, boo. And this button is begin. I'm going to link to screen 1, screen 2. Perfect. Exactly what we want. Round the button. Ooh, size does. Oh my god, size does matter. Really? Are you going to meme on that hard? Button size for a button. Oh, it should be 1 centimeter with proper padding. Grab my glasses. Begin. Actually, we're gonna drop this down here. I love just the simple drag and drop. Text, a little bit more text, no background. Going to outline it here. Nice and simple. And then we're gonna add text right there. Boom. Text fonts. Let's do something a little bit. Ooh, that's hard to read for me. Don't blame me. It's a little bit more fun. Text here. That's kind of nice. A little bit too much though. How about? This is a murder party. Select a character and start on page 1 of the game. Everyone read who you are out loud. Everyone read who you are out loud. Boom. The murder mystery starts. Select character and start on page 1 of the game. Everybody read it loud. Okay, cool. Begin, and this will be select your character. Select your character. Boom. I wonder how big. Yeah, title button. Let's change this to size 18 as well. Select your character. Boom. Nice and simple. Easy. Actually, let's just move this up. Move this up. Fun. Okay. So now we need to make a bunch more screens, right? Okay, so we can label it right here. Beautiful. Perfecto. Icon select. Yeah. This will be home. Home. Boom. Cute. Nope, I didn't want to design on Canva, dang it. Boop. Don't hurt me, Canva. I'm just trying to X out. There we go. So now it should be home. Maybe I clicked on the wrong one. Interesting. Icon. Show from all. Icon text. Yeah, icon text, that's fun. This will be home. Beautiful. Let's not do that. Select icon. Put over here. And this is the shop. This is okay, interesting. This is the wish list. This is the cart. And this is me. But this is search for shop. Okay, interesting. Got it. And this, go back to here, is home. Perfect. Custom icon. Aha, there we go. And then we type home. And then we pop this one in there. Beautiful. Okay. So now we have home. Now we need to select your character. Let's keep this nice and simple. This will be a horizontal screen, chat, table, testimonials. Can I not add more screens? That's a shame. This might not be the best tool for this then, because we need a ton of screens. Very interesting. It would be relatively simple. So we select our character. Let's go to this little button here. This would link to screen 2, right? Screen 2, they click the button, it goes to screen 2. Alright, we're gonna add a couple of buttons and I'm gonna show you how this would generally work. So, boom, make that button nice. I'm gonna then, I am really distractible, it's ridiculous. It is a weak point for sure. It is a weakness. Boom, boom, duplicate, down here, up here. Okay, beautiful. Actually, I guess it doesn't let me full screen it. So let's do this instead. Let's delete. Button needs to be font style at least 16. And we'll go 18 like we were doing before. Boom. Duplicate. And there will say, let's say, be 3 or 4 different people you can be, right? So something like this. Boom. Cute. And then this button will say, oh, actually we only have 3 extra pages, so let's delete that. And this button will say, go to, you can be Ted, you can be, Scarlet. Welcome, your name is, what was this? Dean Plumbus. You, made your living, manufacturing, add all the context there. But yeah, so this will be Dean Plumbus, right? So let's go and publish this to, boom, published. Might take 10, 15 minutes, or 15 to 20 minutes, so cool, yeah. Once we're done, this should, let me copy this, Murder Mystery Party.